Hello and welcome back to this video. So in this video now we're talking about the Facebook audience and custom conversion and pixel settings. So before we go into the first thing is what is audience. Now Facebook audience is a place like it's going to be the audience that Facebook is reaching, your ad is reaching, your campaign reaches. So it's actually a place that Facebook tell you how many people have seen your ad or something like that. So how to get this thing is to come to your ad manager here, click on this left three arrows. Now record all tools. Okay, after it, you come down, there's something called audience, which is, after this, I'm going to show you out about event manager. So how to use event manager on your ad account. Now we have audiences. Click on audiences, this is where we need to start our stuff. Okay, then click on audiences, and this is how it works. This is how it looks like, and this is where you set up your audience and also custom conversions and the rest. So while this thing is still loading, let me log into my website and show you some of the settings that you need to put in place. Don't worry about the sound and the background. Actually, it's evening time in Nigerian time, so my neighbors are around, so I don't know why they're making noise. And so let me just open my website's dashboard. So hold on, let me just log into my dashboard on my website so that I will start showing you how to actually use these things. Okay, now we are inside our Facebook audience. Here is, you need to set up the rules, how you want Facebook to show your ads to people, who you want to use, a particular target of people you want to reach to on your campaigns. So even though you are creating a new campaign, you can still set up these rules and also these audiences and this target on your campaigns. So let me log in first of all, because I needed these things while this class is still going. So this is where you set up a custom conversion or custom audience, all right, who have showed interest in your business or product before. Or this is where you set up all of them, and this is where you set up the audiences that you want your ad or your campaign or your product to say, or people who have seen your audiences or something like that. You can create them here, but for now our campaign have not fully we have not launched our campaign yet, so you don't need to create this custom conversion. Now you can still create it, which is click on create custom conversions. Okay, now we have something we call the look-alike. Now the look-alike audience are people, you reach more people who are similar to the audiences that you already care about. Let's say for example, somebody might like, maybe your prospect or your customers you are targeting will like to use iPhones. Most likely they will like to use Samsung. Maybe you have an audience that want to buy shoes. Likely they would like to buy clothes. So you are always trying to target them on two different products. Either you are selling them shoes, or you are selling them shoes, or you are selling them clothes, or you are selling them earrings or handbags. So they are likely to buy the shoe, or they are likely to buy the clothes. So you create a look-alike audience. But before you create a look-alike audience, you must first of all create a custom audience. Now from this custom audience, now you now create another audience that looks like them, so they can get more thing in your campaign you are running. So you have another one, create a saved audience. All right, so first of all is we need to create a custom audience. Now you need to click on create a custom audience. Now if you click on create a custom audience, remember, if you have a customer list, you need to upload it. Now this is where I talked about these offline activities. Now these are people who have visited your website in the past and all these things. And before you create this custom audience, the first thing you need to understand is you need to create your Facebook pixel to particularly track actions on your website or anything. So for example, now let's say you want to create a custom audience of people who have showed interest in your product or services. If you click on website, this website means that these people who have visited your website or landing pages for, let me say, yesterday or the past 30 days. You want to create a custom audience of them. You want to see how many people that have visited your website so that you can target them back. This is what we call targeting. You target them back maybe after we have finished running our campaign. So you can easily extract it and export our details of our customers and upload it here. Or you have something you call activities, app activities. Now you need to create for app activities. Now create an audience of people who have launched your app, or game, or taking a specific action while using it. Now you create an audience of people who have visited your website or visited the app and downloaded it. Now you have catalog. This is where you need to set up a custom audience based on who people have interacted with items in your catalog. For example, now if you go to Jumia, I don't know if you're watching this video from Nigeria, go to jumia.com.ng, you search for the product and you come to Facebook, you still see some of the products you search. Now we have meta success, we have videos. All right, you click on videos. Now they say create an audience of people who have watched one of your videos on Facebook or Instagram. So for example, now you're running ad on Facebook and you're using videos, and people have watched some of your videos in the past. You want to target them back. Maybe people have watched the video, you want to target them back. You create a custom audience of people who have watched your video in the past to target them back. I'm just going to show you all these things, how it works. Now we have lead form. Lead form is it creates an audience of people who have opened or completed a form in one of your lead generation ads on Facebook or Instagram. I'm going to show you how to create all these leads ads in this course. I'm inside this video training. So you create an audience of people who have, maybe they didn't complete the form, or they completed the form and come to your DM and you still want to target them back, right? You create a custom audience for them. We have instant experience. I have not quite used this particular one anyways, but I always select it if I'm running ad campaigns, my delivery or my placement. So we have shopping. This way you select, you create an audience of people who interacted with your product in a shopping experience on Facebook or Instagram. So for example, now you're selling a product and in your page it has catalog. Now this is where you create an audience of people who have interacted before in your catalog, in your page or Facebook or Instagram. So it's quite very interesting to say that you can actually target people who have interacted with most of your ad campaign or even reacted to your page some time ago, to target them with your product so that they can buy what you're selling. So we have AR experience. I have not used this one quite well, just a new thing they have introduced for a lot of times anyways. They have Instagram account, the same thing with targeting people who have interacted with your Facebook leads, videos. Now this one says create an audience of people who have visited or interacted with your Instagram profile, post or ad. For example, here you will need a professional account, which can be either a business or a creator account. It is very, very easy. There are some videos on this course on SellPass which talk about how to create Facebook and Instagram ad accounts. Your account on Instagram must be a professional business, which is going to be a business account or a creator account. If it's going to be an account that has to do with personal use, it's not possible to use it to create a custom audience. Now, for example, now you have an Instagram account that people have interacted with in the past 21 hours ago or 24 hours ago, or people have interacted in that campaign on your profile on Instagram for the past 30 days. You can create an audience for them and target them with your product. So basically, you're not looking for new customers. These guys have seen your profile on Instagram and you want to target them back. This is where you target them with this custom conversion. You create this thing. All right. Now here we have events. Now this is where you set up or create an audience of people who have, attended one of your events. Maybe you are hosting a live webinar or a training on Facebook, and maybe you created an event on your page and people interacted with it and you want to target them back. This is where you set up everything. Now in the next video, I'm going to be showing you I'm going to select any one of these to show you how it works. Okay, I think mostly what we are going to be doing in this particular section of Facebook audience and custom audience creation is I'm going to be selecting websites, videos, and Instagram or Facebook page to show you how it works. Now we have Facebook pages. Now we here Facebook page now here is said create an audience of people who follow or have interacted with your page. Remember that not everybody that comes to your page, Facebook page, will like it or follow it. Now you can target them back to sell to them. It is very easy to do all these things, and it is very, very important that you must follow everything possible here to get the result you need there for your campaign and also for your money you're spending on Facebook. So we have on Facebook listing, like for example, now that marketplace, that place you see marketplace on Facebook, right? That place you see marketplace on Facebook, you create an audience of people who have interacted with the on Facebook listing from your catalog. Let's for example, now you're selling clothes or you are selling adverts or you're selling anything on Facebook. This is where you create an audience and retarget them back so that they keep on seeing your ad. Right? It is very easy. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create all these things. Right? Now, for now, let me just show you the lookalike, how it looks like. So you click on lookalike. the lookalike looks like this. Remember that I have not created a new source. I have not created any custom conversion or custom audience to even create a lookalike. So that means if I created a Facebook of an audience of people who have interacted with my page, I'll create a lookalike. Now, this lookalike can be a people, right? It can be for people who have seen, maybe I created a custom conversion of people who have interacted with my page in the last 30 days. All right. Now, I'll come for this lookalike audience. I'll create another lookalike audience of that same people. Now, Facebook will now match these guys. Right, Facebook will now match these people with the people that looks like them, that have similar interests, so that my ad can show to them. Right. So for now, I don't have any custom audience or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can see nothing is here, nothing is here, not available. So if I click on new source, you can see from here now, I must create a custom audience first of all before I can be able to create a custom lookalike audience. That means if somebody interacted with your video you posted on Facebook, if you click on create lookalike audience, Facebook will now match that person. We target that person back and also target the person that has similar interests, that looks like that same person, for your ad, so that you can get more of the money you are spending on ad. That's way to get more people, right? Whether you are doing e-commerce, or you're selling e-commerce products online, or you're selling Instagram affiliate marketing products, or anything, you are even advertising your business, Facebook will now show this your campaign to a lot of people that looks like those people that interacted with your campaign in the past. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create this custom audience. Okay, so see you in the next video.